Welcome back, guys, to the YouTube channel. It's a really cold morning here on the farm, and the chickens are probably feeling it, so I'm going to give them some corn as a treat. How you guys doing? I'll probably refill up the water as well. Oh, someone's with the eggs. 3 eggs ready to go. Give them some corn. They love the corn. Here you guys go. Go cracked for it. Come on, ducks. Hello, Peanut. I think the ducks want some water, so I'll go give them some water. Really cold morning on the farm. Really cold. It's frosty area, but it's not too bad now. What are you on about? Who's that, Daffy? Oh, gone already. You're fine over it. I guess we'll give them the rest. They're eating it so quick. Now I'm gonna go fill up the water. But first got to put the good old boots on. The good old slip-on boots. Make it very easy for coming in and out of the chicken coop. Let's go. Just a trail of ice from the hose. That's how cold it is out here this time of the year. Time to get these guys the water though. They're reckless because I had to keep them in this coop most time to get over this, but the bird flu is going around the country, so I don't want to take any risks. So keep them in for the time being. They're happy out with the water. The ducks are happy. Daffy duck in real life. And while I'm here, might as well get some eggs. Look at those eggs, they look nice. Hello, Sully. Those eggs, look good. 3 eggs. Looking great fish eggs. And they lay non-stop, which is surprising. Because I find that in the winter time, chickens don't lay as much, but it's almost like they're laying more now. Don't know if that because they're older, but either way I'm happy. Nope, they're not coming out. I have to keep it safe. What the hell are those ducks doing? I have to clean out this pen later on, don't worry, clean it out. It looks a bit messy. Looks like dancing over there a minute ago. Nice looking flock, do you say so myself? Nice happy healthy birds. And this is the proof, these big lovely eggs. Right, so I think we got 2 duck eggs earlier on. Empty eggs. Yeah, not bad. 3 big. This one's actually massive. Look at the size of that. Jesus, it's still well. Yeah, that one's fucking massive. The size difference. I didn't even see that. They go up in levels. Well, anyways, guys, thank you for watching. I'm going to do proper structured videos in the future. I have stuff to do. Today was just me checking out ducks, chickens, and seeing how they keep and collecting the eggs. So thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next one. Bye.